Ever felt overwhelmed by travel scams? Here's how to stay safe. Joy of travel, new sights, sounds, and unfortunately, the not-so-pleasant scams that can catch even the savviest of travelers off guard. Let's dive into some of the common tourist traps, like those pesky, overpriced taxi rides that can make your wallet weep. Always check with locals or your hotel about what you should expect to pay. This little bit of research can save you from paying double or even triple the usual fare. And then there are those charming street vendors or friendly strangers offering free gifts. Beware, these tokens are rarely just kind-hearted gestures. Often accepting these can lead to awkward situations where you're suddenly expected to buy something or give a tip. So how do you avoid falling for these tricks? Simple. Stay informed, ask plenty of questions, and always double-check offers that seem too enticing. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Stay alert. Your passport is your ticket to the world. Keep it safe. When embarking on any journey, the importance of your passport cannot be overstated. It's not just a travel document. It's your official identity when you're away from home. To ensure its safety, one of the best practices is to make a photocopy, or even better, a digital copy. Keep this copy on your person while you explore and store the original in a secure place. Most hotels offer a safe in the room or at the reception. Utilizing this amenity can safeguard your passport from loss or theft. Think of it as a fortress, protecting your passport from potential travel mishaps. It's a simple action that maintains your peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your travels without unnecessary worry over document safety. Remember, while it's tempting to carry your passport everywhere, sometimes the safest place is under lock and key. A secured passport is a secured traveler. Never take its safety for granted. Managing money safely while traveling can be tricky, but it's crucial. Now, let's dive into why opting for credit cards over heaps of cash might just be your best bet. Credit cards not only offer convenience, but also provide an additional layer of security. If lost or stolen, a quick call can block the card, whereas lost cash is gone forever. Moreover, many credit cards come with built-in fraud protection and benefits like travel insurance and emergency assistance, which can be invaluable abroad. But what about local expenses where cards might not be accepted? Well, it's wise to carry a modest amount of local currency, but only just enough for daily expenses. Keep the bulk of your funds in a secure location like a hotel safe or a money belt. This way you minimize potential losses in case of theft or misplacement. Always remember, the less cash you flaunt, the less attention you'll draw. When it comes to money, think convenience and security. Keep it simple and safe. A good night's sleep starts with secure lodging. When planning your travels, your accommodation isn't just a place to rest, it's your home base, and its security is paramount. It's essential to opt for lodgings that not only promise comfort, but ensure safety. Begin by scouring reviews for mentions of security measures. Are there reports of secure locks on doors and windows? Is there a safe in the room for your valuables? These details matter. Furthermore, a vigilant staff can significantly enhance security. Properties that boast a 24/7 reception desk or security personnel offer an added layer of safety, ensuring there's always someone on hand to address your concerns, no matter the hour. Also, consider the location of your accommodation. Is it in a well-lit, reputable area? Proximity to essential services and being in a safe neighborhood can drastically reduce risks during your stay. Peace of mind comes from knowing you and your belongings are safe. Choose wisely. Crowded places are hotspots for pickpockets. Watch your wallet. When exploring bustling markets, crowded festivals, or even packed public transportation, it's essential to keep your money and personal items secure. One effective strategy is to use a money belt, which sits snugly under your clothing, keeping your valuables out of sight and out of reach from nimble fingers. Alternatively, consider a theft-proof backpack. These are designed with hidden zippers and cut-resistant materials, making them a tough target for thieves. In addition to physical precautions, your behavior plays a crucial role. always be aware of your surroundings, especially in overly crowded areas. It's easy to get distracted by the sights and sounds, but that's when pickpockets strike the most. Avoid pulling out large amounts of cash or your wallet in public spaces, and keep your bag zipped and locked if possible. Remember, the best way to protect yourself is to blend in and act like a local. Keep your belongings close and your awareness closer. Stay vigilant. Staying connected is more than convenience, it's a safety net. In the whirlwind of travel, keeping a reliable mobile connection isn't just about posting those scenic photos or checking in with friends. It's a pivotal part of your safety toolkit. Imagine being in a new city, where the streets twist like a maze. Here, your phone is your compass and your connection to the world. Now let's talk emergency contacts. It's crucial to keep these updated. Whether it's a family member back home or a new friend you've made on the journey, having someone who knows your whereabouts can be a lifesaver in unpredictable situations. Also, consider the benefits of portable Wi-Fi devices. These little gadgets are lifesavers, providing internet access when you're exploring those off-the-beaten-path locations. They ensure that you're just a few taps away from help, should you need it. In today's world, a good connection can mean a safer trip. Stay connected. Accommodation reviews can be a treasure trove of information. Learn to read them wisely. When planning your next getaway, the glowing 5-star reviews might catch your eye, but remember, not all that glitters is gold. It's crucial to approach online reviews with a discerning eye. Start by checking multiple sources. A hotel might be top-rated on one site but have less favorable feedback on another. This can reveal a more balanced picture of what to expect. Look for patterns in the comments. Are there consistent mentions of clean rooms or friendly staff? That's a good sign. But if you spot recurring complaints about noise or poor service, consider it a red flag. Pay special attention to recent reviews, as they often reflect the current state of the property more accurately than older posts. And don't forget to read responses from the management. Their replies can give you insight into how proactive they are in addressing guests' concerns. Trust but verify, your perfect stay depends on it. Health is wealth, especially when you're traveling. When embarking on your journeys, the last thing you want is a medical mishap without a plan. That's where travel insurance becomes your best travel companion. It's not just about covering trip cancellations. It's crucial for medical emergencies abroad, which can be unexpectedly expensive. Imagine needing a doctor's visit or even a hospital stay in a foreign country. Without insurance, costs can skyrocket, turning a small issue into a financial burden. But with the right coverage, you can rest easy knowing that not only are your medical expenses covered, but often assistance services are just a phone call away to help you find the nearest hospital or even arrange transportation. Before you jet off, spend some time researching the healthcare facilities in your destination. Are there nearby hospitals? How are the reviews? Knowing this information can save precious time and stress in an emergency. A little health prep goes a long way. Make it part of your travel plans. Don't let language barriers hold you back. Traveling to a country where you don't speak the language can seem daunting, but it's no reason to stay home. Technology and a little preparation can make all the difference. One of the most effective tools at your disposal is a language app. These apps not only translate text, but also help you learn essential phrases to navigate your day-to-day activities while abroad. From ordering food to asking for directions, mastering a handful of phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience. Furthermore, knowing key phrases in the local language isn't just about convenience, it's also a safety measure. Being able to communicate in an emergency, or even just to confirm the price of a taxi, can prevent misunderstandings and ensure smoother interactions. It shows respect for the culture and can often lead to more genuine and helpful interactions with locals. A few words can open doors and make your journey smoother. Start learning today. When you blend in, you don't stand out to potential threats. It's a simple mantra that holds a wealth of wisdom, especially when traveling. The art of blending in isn't just about what you wear, but how you carry yourself among the locals. Imagine walking down a bustling street in a foreign city. Instead of sporting the latest tourist gear, like that brand new backpack and flashy camera around your neck, opt for something more low-key. Dress in a way that mirrors the local fashion. This doesn't mean you need a whole new wardrobe, but perhaps choose colors and styles that are common in the area. Moreover, observe and adapt to local behaviors. If it's customary to greet shopkeepers when entering a store, follow suit. Such small gestures not only enrich your travel experience, but also minimize the chances of being marked as an outsider. Remember, the goal is not just to see the world, but to smartly immerse yourself in it. The safer you blend, the better your experience. Travel smart.